Hello everyone, I'm Avinash and I'm back again with an amazing resource for you guys. Video पूरा देखना, otherwise you will miss very important resource. Okay, in today's video I will be sharing location based startups for different locations like Bangalore, Chennai, Noida, Gurgaon, Pune, Mumbai, Hyderabad. So people who are looking for jobs and want to work in startups, then this is your chance. You can use this data to find jobs in these companies. Okay, we'll explore. Before that, if you are new to this channel and you are looking for off campus placement, then you are at right place. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon because you will get all the resources for your placement, latest off campus updates. Okay, so go subscribe now and check out the previous resources, previous job updates like jobs and internships and placement material. Okay, projects, resume, DSA, system design, you will get everything. Okay, so coming back to our video, the first list is for the remote hiring, people who are looking for remote. Here you will get the website plus their LinkedIn, how you can use this data. First thing, you can visit to their LinkedIn profile and go in the job section and you can find the list of jobs, make a filter and you can find jobs for your role or experience. Okay, another way is to visit to their career section. I have added direct career section for this list where you can find view open jobs. So all these are remotes basically. Okay, what they are saying, beware of job scammers. Okay, so here are all jobs you have to find for engineering. If you are from other background, you can check here with the filter, you can search jobs, software. Okay, similarly visit every company and see the job section, filter it out and apply directly. While applying to these companies, these are remote and global startups, global companies, they will check your online presence. So make your resume included your online presence like GitHub, LinkedIn, portfolio, or any coding profile or any projects, live projects links in your resume should be included. Otherwise you will not get shortlisted because these people, startup or companies around the globe, check your online presence. They check your work sample, not just clone projects which you have mentioned. So here you will get ATS friendly resume template, entry level Jake's resume. So it's one column based and two column based, and you can directly add it on overleaf. So it's a latex based, and here are some doc based attached. You can check it out. Okay, now coming back, similarly you have to visit all the companies and apply for the job. Okay, you have to find, या एक बार में तो आपको नहीं मिलेगा. जॉब सर्च, जॉब सीकिंग इज अ लेंदी प्रोसेस और आपको डेली मेहनत करना पड़ेगा, डेली फाइंड करना पड़ेगा. ओके, सो सिमिलरली हेयर आर मेनी मोर स्टार्टअप लिस्ट लाइक फॉर बैंगलोर. ठीक है, रेजर पे, डंजो, फोन पे. तो इन सब में लाइक यू विल गेट दी लिंक्डइन प्लस वेबसाइट. यहाँ पे डायरेक्ट वो नहीं है, क्या कहते हैं, आपका पोर्टल, करियर पोर्टल. सो आपको ढूंढना है लाइक फुटर या नैव सेक्शन में आपको इजीली मिल जाएगा. ठीक है, फुटर या नैव सेक्शन में इजीली करियर सेक्शन मिल जाता है. तो आपको ये यहाँ से मिल जाएगा. यू विल गेट फ्रॉम हेयर करियर सेक्शन एंड यू कैन फाइंड all the jobs. Apply now, you can find all the list of job openings. Just filter software, so you'll get all the software jobs and you can apply if you are eligible. So similarly visit for Chennai, Noida, Gurgaon, Pune, Mumbai, Hyderabad. Okay, जाओ और जिस लोकेशन की जॉब देख रहे हो उस लोकेशन के स्टार्टअप्स की वेबसाइट पे जाओ, उनके जॉब सेक्शन में जाओ, वहां से अप्लाई करो और फिर लिंक्डइन पे जाओ. लिंक्डइन से आस्क रेफरल फ्रॉम दी ऑल दी एम्प्लॉयज. ओके, सो ये कुछ स्टेप्स हैं ठीक है, जो आपको फॉलो करने हैं, और ये आपको एक दिन में जॉब नहीं मिलेगी, लेंथी प्रोसेस है, तो पेशेंस रख के पूरा वो करो, ठीक है। सो लिंक विल बी इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन, एंड वीडियो हेल्पफुल रहा हो, रिसोर्स हेल्पफुल रहा हो, तो डू लाइक एंड कमेंट, ठीक है, सब्सक्राइब कर देना फॉर मोर रिसोर्सेज। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग द वीडियो, बाय बाय।